So have you wondered why the Hollywood star's skin looks so great and so glowing and so amazing? Well, then let me show you one of the things they do to keep their skin glowing and looking beautiful all the time. So keep on watching. One of the things that the Hollywood stars do to keep their skin looking so beautiful when they are not at the doctor's office getting some injection is homemade face mask. So from Pinkett Smith to Kylie Jenner, they just love some homemade face masks. I bring you this amazing recipe that is inspired by the ingredients that they love to use. And kale. So here in LA we love kale salad, but kale is not only to make salads and make smoothie, it's also to make some amazing face masks. Because so kale is packed with vitamin A, with vitamin B, vitamin C, and also vitamin K, and amazing antioxidant. You need some cucumber. Cucumber is my all-time favorite because cucumber is not only very hydrating for the skin, soothing the skin, it's highly moisturizer, also help you with the under eyes bags. Also, we have an avocado here. So I remember watching this video where Pinkett Smith has her whole full facial, and she loves using avocado in her skincare routine. So to this recipe we're also going to add some avocado, because avocados avocados are high in lauric acid. They're antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. So if you have acne, avocados are really good for you. You're also gonna need some honey. Honey is amazing. It's antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory, it's also add moisture to your skin. So honey is one of the best ingredients to put in any facial mask. Clays extract the impurities out of your skin and also kind of exfoliate, giving your skin, taking away all those dead cells and making it look nice and beautiful, and to remove toxins from the skin and to bring back new nutrients into the skin. Kind of hard to do this without getting this towel dirty. Okay, I think this will do. To what a gonna store your mask in the refrigerator. It can be good up to 2 weeks. So it's better if you put it in an airtight container that is made of glass, so that will extend the life of your mask. Also, just make sure that you take out only the amount that you're going to put on your face. Do not double dip. So please do not double dip, because every time you do that, you transfer the bacteria from your face into the mask, and that can make it go bad. This is a kind of mask that you can use technically every day. You know, you can do it every other day, or you can use it every day until it's gone. I mean, that's what I do. I use it every day or every other day until it's finished, until it's gone, or until it gets bad. So enjoy your face mask. Hope this recipe can help your skin to look better and feel better and get a lot healthier. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave your comments down below, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.